Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are making air fryer frozen chicken nuggets. We all love them, they're delicious, easy to make, and I found that there's nothing better than making them using the air fryer. As always, I'm using my Ninja Foodi Max multi-cooker for this air fryer recipe, but you can use any air fryer that you own. Use this recipe for any frozen chicken nuggets that you have, such as Tyson's, the nuggets you buy at your regular supermarket such as Aldi, and so forth. So the steps are pretty simple. You just want to transfer the frozen chicken nuggets to your air fryer basket. As always, try not to overcrowd them. Depending on the air fryer you own, you may need to preheat your air fryer, but most air fryers nowadays cook without preheating. I certainly do not need preheating with my Ninja Foodi, but just read the manufacturer's instructions that come with your air fryer model. Next, you want to close the lid or the basket. Set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. That's approximately 200 degrees Celsius for those in the UK or countries that use Celsius. The air fryer time for frozen chicken nuggets is 10 to 12 minutes, but this will differ depending on the model you own, so feel free to add or reduce 1 or 2 minutes to the cooking time. You want to air fry this and check on them midway through cooking. So these are mid-cooking and I'm just going to flip each through, and depending on the air fryer you own, you may also need to shake your basket to enable them to cook evenly. And then I'm going to close the lid and allow them to cook for the remaining time. So our chicken nuggets are done, and you can serve them obviously with your favorite dipping sauces, salad, or your favorite dishes. I hope you enjoyed this air fryer frozen chicken nuggets recipe. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, bye bye.